One afternoon, in a marketplace somewhere in Manila, there was a mysterious man, strolling, walking alone, searching for something. And everyone was wondering about him, confused, puzzled. Who is this guy? And what is he doing here? Then suddenly, introducing Pusong Entrep, a social media platform mini show that showcases and invites Filipino entrepreneurs to participate and win worth of 50,000 pesos. Join now at ilabas ang entrepreneur power.
Aling Maria, once a small entrepreneur who truly loves selling. Her passion drives her to dream of owning a sari-sari store. Ngayon, lubos siyang nagagalak dahil natupad na ang kanyang pangarap. Join Pusong Entrep at baka ikaw na ang mananalo ng 50,000 pesos.
Ako nga pala si Jen, isa akong working student. Nagsa-sideline para matustusan ang aking pag-aaral. Pero hindi pa rin sapat para mabayaran ko ang aking tuition fee. Kaya naisipan kong sumali sa Pusong Entrep. At ngayon, hindi lang tuition fee ang kaya kong i-afford. Nabinigyan ko na rin ng pera sila mama at papa. Kaya sali na kayo at baka ikaw na ang mananalo ng 50,000 pesos.
Hi guys, this is Mommy Jen from Cavite, and this is my daughter Baby Anna. As a single mom, mahirap talaga iwanan si baby. Kaya naisipan kong mag-online business. Ang produkto ko pala ay headband at ginagawa ko ito during my free time. At ang model ko ay walang iba kundi si Baby Anna. Kapag ako ang papalaring mananalo ng 50,000 pesos, ay gagamitin ko ito para gumawa pa ng maraming designs. Please support us at samahan niyo po kami ni Baby Anna.
Okay, and we're live here today. So, welcome guys and good afternoon. This is Pinoy Biz Talk and I'm your host. My name is Dre. So, bakit nga ba tayo nandito today? So, I am from Mary Rose Media Corporation OPC. So, our aim today is to launch our first podcast. So, inaanyayahan ko po ang ating mga audiences from your end of the screen. You are free to comment, share, and like our podcast. Of course, to promote since we're starting today as well. So, bakit nga ba kami nandito? Who is Mary Rose Media Production and what is our goal to help Filipino entrepreneurs? Siyempre, sisimulan natin yan by introducing our very own first guest, our Miss Julia Noki. She is Mary Rose Media Productions Managing Director. Let's give her a round of applause. Napaka-supportive ng aming production team. So, kasama din sila sa Tigapalakpak. Good afternoon, Miss Julia.
Good afternoon.
So, how are you doing today? I'm doing great. So, I'm glad that you're doing fine this very good afternoon. So, to start, ano po ba or sino po ba ang Mary Rose Media Production OPC?
Alright, so our company started in April 2020. And our founder was Mary. So we decided, or she wanted to help Filipinos improve their lives by giving them business opportunities that will support their future generations to come. She also noticed that the most concerning part of why Filipinos do not start businesses as supposed to is because of the lack of funding. So here at Mary Rose Media Production, try to give that and try to empower as well entrepreneurship.
Wow, what a noble goal for the company, no? Kasi if you look here in the Philippines, there are philanthropists for entrepreneurship, but there are not a lot of companies that does this kind of project. And totoo nga naman that here in the Philippines, it's not easy to start a business. Kasi capital is always has been the issue. So, I'm glad that we're here to introduce you to our company and of course to our goal para naman if you dream to be big or you wanted to start an entrepreneur dream, maybe this is the place for you to start. So since it's already here, the platform is already. Miss Julia, because this mini show, as the advert was playing a while ago, it's entitled hashtag Pusong Entrep. So why was it named hashtag Pusong Entrep?
Hashtag Pusong Entrep, just like what we said. We're trying to empower Filipinos. This project, we want to get this personal approach with them for delivering a sustainable support and establishing tremendous relationships with different brilliant minds. So what we want to do as well, also pesos for any individual who can give us that specific answer. Why should they win this amount for their business or for their startup business that they want to create? So we personalize this campaign to focus on the values, the experiences, hopes, and success stories of every
How? So, pa round of applause nga from our production team dyan because that is one of the best, it's not a tagline, it's a goal, one of the best goals because here in the Philippines, napakakonti nga lang talaga ng opportunity to start a business. And what I like about the title of the mini project, Pusong Entrep. So there's heart, there's passion and compassion from both the entrepreneurs and us. So, since yun nga miss yung yung goal din ng company. What has been the previous projects or yung mga nagawa na ng company to to continue this goal and endeavors?
All right, so what we've done already before is our IEC or our information education campaigns. So what we've done as well is, we went to different schools like schools in Imus, Tansa, Rizal, and we've also done barangay IEC as well in Payatas. Also been feeding programs for non-profit organizations.
If I know correctly, Miss, IEC campaigns are free seminars.
Yes. And I think you've been there as well.
Yeah,
So
I have
think
the
you can-
opportunity to
yes,
see it live.
Yes. So I think you're the one who can give them more explanations for that.
Yes, Miss. Actually, when I went to IEC Payatas, so if in any cases na yung mga taga-barangay Payatas ay nandiyo sa comment section, feel free to raise your hand, say hi, comment on the comment section. So, when we've been to IEC, when we've done IEC in Payatas, we do seminars like marketing, public relations, and also we conduct yung din naman po, yung mga tag-games. If you're gonna start your own business, what would be your tagline? How would you promote it to social media? So, we always give them, not prizes, but encouragement to continue their ideas din naman. So, since Miss, I did not have the privilege last time to be on the feeding program, what was the goal of the feeding program during that time?
The goal of the feeding program was for under children. So that's what we helped a non-profit organization.
Okay. So, okay. Thank you very much, Miss Julia. So, guys huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment if yung mga nadaanan na namin sa IEC, nandyan kayo sa aming nanonood ng live. No, do not hesitate. Huwag kayong mahiya. Like lang, share, or comment what you wanted to comment. May pa-freebie din kami, no? Since it's our first launch. So, comment lang kayo dyan and surely we will give you those freebies. Okay. Since, ayan, alam na natin nga kung ano na naging project ng company, may background na tayo who MRMP is. So, MRMP is short for Mary Rose Media Production. So, nabanggit din natin kung ano yung hashtag Pusong Entrep. So, Miss, just to expound on it, kailan ba mangyayari itong hashtag Pusong Entrep?
All right, so our contest period would be from May 3
to May 16. So technically it will start already today.
Yes.
And then our final screening would be on May 17. And then our announcement of winners would be virtually on May 18.
Wow, so yung mga interesado pala dyan na nanonood sa amin, pwedeng-pwede na pala kayong sumali, no? So mahaba pa yung period of time para kayo'y makapag-submit din ng inyong mga entry. So, Miss, since alam na natin kung kailan, sino naman ang mga pwedeng sumali?
So any individual who's over the age of 16 and has a parental consent can join. And then at the same time, what we encourage or we empower is business. So we need your ideas to be business focused and related.
Also encourage OFWs to participate in our event. But at the same time, if the OFW did win, he would have one representative to come to the office to get the prize money. And one more thing that we do want to say is that this entrepreneurship or hashtag Pusong Entrep is not just for people who already have businesses. It's also for a person who wants to start a business but is still
Wow, so kahit idea lang pala, no? Pwedeng-pwede ka nang sumali. Eh, paano naman, Miss, kung pare, grupo sila, marami silang part ng ano, does it hinder them to join?
No, it does not hinder them. As long as all of them have set this up that okay, this is their own agreement. Fine with.
I see. So, kayo pala guys na ayan, wala naman palang limit ang age. So, as long as it's not against the labor law of the Philippines, pwede naman pala kayong sumali.
Yes.
So, wala ding discrimination, basta may idea. Doesn't need to be a graduate as well, di ba, Miss?
No. It doesn't need to be a graduate. Even if you're just staying at home or you didn't even, as long as you just have that specific idea. Have that idea. Bring it. If, for example, you don't know how to explain it, here we can help you as well. How to manage your business so that we can grow. Because since we did say before that in our IECs, we did give free seminars on how to do your business. So we can help you with that as well. So give us that your video and then just tell us the idea itself. We can help you.
Wow. So sabi naman sa inyo, all in na pala ang Pinoy Pusong Entrep. All in naman na pala siya. So see, there's no limit when it comes to age. There's no limit when it comes to gender. Of course, there's no limit when it comes to education. So everybody that just has this brilliant idea, pwedeng sumali. So, alam nyo na kung sino kayo at kung nandyan man kayo sa comment section, raise your hands na and comment na if gusto nyo nang sumali. So, since alam na natin kung sino-sino nga kayo, ano naman yung kailangan nilang gawin? What's the mechanics of this mini show?
Right. So the only thing you do need to go to is go to our website, which is www.mrmpopc.org. And then once you've completed it, just go and click register. You'll scroll down and then you'll see our Google Docs that you're going to go and do your entry. So there you will see your email, your first name, your last name, your age, address, and then link your Facebook account as well. And at the same time, do our video. So the video will also be playing mechanics of what exactly we're saying.
Yes. So on cue, we will be playing the video for you. And then afterwards, of course, what type of video the content should be. So I'll ask our production team to play you the video. So para naman alam nyo ang mga link. Okay. Wonderful. Now, nakita nyo na ang representation how to register. And then, now we will be playing the video. Ano naman yung dapat content ng video nyo? So, dahil Pilipino tayo, alam ko madiskarte tayo. No? We add our little flair of flavor in our videos. So, you could use this video as your guide or you could do your own twist. So, cue, play it again.
Hi guys, this is Mommy Jen from Cavite, and this is my daughter Baby Anna. As a single mom, mahirap talaga iwanan si Baby. Kaya naisipan kong mag-online business. Ang produkto ko pala ay headband at ginagawa ko ito during my free time. At ang model ko ay walang iba kundi si Baby Ana. Kapag ako ang papalaring mananalo ng 50,000 pesos, ay gagamitin ko ito para gumawa pa ng maraming designs. Please support us at samahan niyo po kami ni Baby Ana sa aming entrepreneur journey.
Okay, perfect. So, napanood naman natin lahat si Baby Ana. So, siya is one of our advert as well na pwede niyong gawing guide for this video. Ayan, since alam niyo na ang mechanics, we've introduced who Pusong Entrep is, what the mini show is all about. Let's hear from our audiences. Kasi syempre, hindi naman pwedeng kami lang. So, Prod team, meron na ba tayong audience na nag-comment? So, do not be shy kasi may pa-freebies naman kami sa mga malalakas ang loob na mag-comment.
One thing that we do need to add as well, that once you've already sent your video, you'll get a confirmation message of your entry. So after 24 hours, you'll get a message confirming that you upload your video, and then we'll also be sending you the link that your video has been posted in our account. Now, apart from that, once we've sent you the link, it's your turn now. So, it's your turn now to find out how you can win, right? So how you can win is, all you need to do is make sure you like it, share it to all your friends, all your families, so that they'll support you. Because how we will collect or find out the winner of this contest would be who has the most likes and who has the most shares.
Yes po, kaya naman kung napakarami nyo talagang followers sa social media, utilize that na because they will be your power para naman talaga manalo. So ayan, we have our first comment. So, pwede po ba small business lang?
Okay, first of all, do not say lang. Because a business is
A business. We all start from a small business. But yes, to answer that question, yes, small business, big business, it doesn't matter.
As long as may business ka, kahit nga daw idea you could join it in. So kahit wag niyong mamaliitin ang mga small businesses like the palengke, yung mga nagtitinda sa kalsada.
Yes. Because everything starts from just one small concept, right?
Correct.
Just like, let's say, what is the most known business that they said that started from scratch would be SM.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah,
So,
Shoemart.
do not say small business lang. Get that, what's that, positive energy and say, yes, this business is going to be
Yes.
big someday.
Correct. You know what? I know someone that they're just, not just, they're selling kwek-kwek.
Yes.
Yes, and it's just on nakariton. Pero ang anak niya, yung tatlo niyang anak, ay graduate na ng Lasal. And it's not Lasal Dasma, it's Lasal Manila. So, don't just lang. So, we have another one from Sir Alex. May bayad ba yan? May bayad po ba?
no.
Oh,
there is
that's
none.
a good thing. Wala siyang bayad.
Okay,
So,
there is none. So
all you need to do is, send us your video and that's it. So it's up to you na kung paano ka kasi mananalo eh. So if marami
it
kang
depends.
friends,
If you have more friends, just ask them. Ask them like, share. Because at the end, when we do
Our tally, we'll tally both Facebook and the TikTok to see which one has the most likes. So again, this one has no payment. This is coming from our company itself to help our entrepreneurs there to take that chance, take that risk. Go ahead. Go, and all you need to do is just upload the video.
correct. That's very true. So, kumbaga it's like a lesson as well, tipo ba, na how to start your business because some businesses, they're just services and they promote it on social media. So, you could use this as one way to sell it. Okay. So, we have another comment from Miss Marisa. So, great opportunity knocks only once, so grab this. Napaka-positive naman yan. So, totoo na nga po yun. Great opportunity knocks only once. So, if may lakas ka na ng loob, decidido ka na, grab mo na talaga. Wala namang mawawala sa inyo. Magsasend ka lang ng video.
send a video because everybody sends videos, right? We usually post a picture of ourselves saying, "Oh, we're here at SM. Oh, we went to Tagaytay."
Yeah.
So what is this small video going to do? It won't hurt you.
Just take that chance.
Yes, para ka lang nag-TikTok, tapos post mo lang. Ganun. So, it's easy and it's manageable. So, yung talaga sa mga gusto na
Manalo kasi they have something specific in mind for their businesses. Take the chance.
do we have more commenters, questions? Okay, so wala pa. Since wala pa naman masyado nagko-comment, time pa naman tayo. Yes, dahil nga andito na yung pusong start na talaga yung competition by the 18th, if I'm not mistaken. Ano po ba yung... It's already starting na.
So we're already started. But our first winner will be announced on.
Okay. So, for the future, Miss, ano po ba yung goals pa natin or yung target pa ni Pusong Entrep besides giving 50,000 to
The monthly winner, because if I know it correctly, we'll have 2 monthly winners. Am I right?
Okay, so this project, which is hashtag Pusong Entrep, will last 6 months. But it will also depend if, for example, Filipinos would want it to last more than 6 months. But what we target is every month for this 6 months process, we will have 2 winners. 2 winners that will get 50,000. So they have 2 weeks to go ahead and find and share all of their all the videos so that so that they can still get that chance to win. And then one more thing we'd like to add is that, for example, you did post a video and then you were not the winner for this week.
Yes,
Right.
yes. Mhm.
You won't have any other thing that we're going to say that, oh, you can't submit it again. No, you can still keep trying until you get the most likes and shares. The only thing that we're going to say is that the winner before is the one that cannot repeat again. But the others who have already done it before can still continue doing it. All you need to do just is do the first step again, the website, and then upload your.
Siyempre naman, di ba, sumali ka na nung una, so may exposure ka na.
Yes.
You could use that to gather more followers and likes. So, more chances of winning pala. Hindi naman pala tayo mahigpit sa mga gustong manalo talaga. So, kanya-kanyang strategy na lang talaga kung paano ka mananalo. So, ayun nga po pala, Miss. Di ba sabi natin may mananalo twice in a month. And I hear from Pusong Entrep kasi we also have this podcast, no? Not just to advertise, but also to share the success stories of those who won. So, if I remember correctly, pwede din silang mag-guest sa ating podcast, di po ba?
Yes, so what we'll do as well is that once we have our winner, what we're going to go ahead and do is on the next schedule of our podcast, we would have our winner come into our show and explain what he or she has done with it. And one more thing that we'd want to do as well is after we do give you your prize money, right, the 50,000, we'll also be getting back to you so that we can see the progress that has happened with that specific business that you have or you
Tama
started.
naman. Yun nga ang mangyayari. So, syempre, hindi lang kami concerned na natatapos na ang aming ang aming papel, ang aming role
Yes.
to the winner na nanalo lang sila ng 50,000. Oh, we will still look at them and see if they need help or what has been happening to them afterwards, and they could share their experiences with you audience. So, since ito na nga, Miss, dinidiscuss natin yung podcast. Our podcast every week, we do have it scheduled every Wednesday. So, if you're interested, may small business ka, estudyante ka nagbe-business sa Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, at interesado kayong mag-share ng mga nyo dito, ng mga struggles, you just want to rant about your business, that's okay as well. We accept guests. Just message us on our Facebook page, TikTok, na available din naman sa mga pinag-flash namin. So that you could give us a heads up that you wanted to join our podcast. As we mentioned, wala namang pwede namin imitahan. So, if meron kami dyang mga viewers na naging part na po ng IEC, na naging part ng feeding program before, and because yung previous IEC po, kasi if I know correctly, nakipag-tie up din po tayo sa mga SK Kagawads from barangay.
We have.
Yes. So if willing po kayo na mag-share ng mga business ideas, business tips, and, promotion na rin po sa inyong mga barangay, go on ahead po and contact us so that we could arrange for your guesting as well. Okay. We also have another comment from Miss Marisa. If ikaw ulit yan, hi ulit sa'yo. Is this price monitored by Pusong Entrep on the business? What's that? On the business would be done. So, ang question po, let me see po again. So, paano natin siya? So, reading it again po, is this price monitored by Pusong Entrep on how the business will be done? So, as we've mentioned before, hindi namin siya monitor as monitor per se na talagang yeah, yung ultimo sentimo, no.
We're just gonna be inviting you again to see ano po, what has happened to the 50,000 funds that we did. We're not going to be there watching you the whole time. What did you do with the money? What did you do with the money? No, that's crazy. What we will be doing is, once we go ahead and give you the 50,000, right? So, for example, we've already done our Saturday show of awarding, which is May 18. So you'll be coming in on Monday here to us, which would be, what is Monday? 18, 20, right? So May 20, you'll be coming here to go and collect your prize money. After that, that is yours. But the only thing what we want to see, right, is that what we gave the money for is for business purposes, for your business to progress, or for your business to start. But we will not monitor you after that. But we will be asking you to come and guest in our show after a month to see what has happened to you.
Correct. So, kunwari, ginamit mo yung pera to expand your already existing business. So, you could give us a talk. So, ito po kasi yung idea ko, how to expand it. This is how I utilize the money to expand it. So, if pwede rin yung na if you want to do that to your business as well, you could encourage them. So, for the starting businesses naman, ano yung balak nyo? Kung may balak na ba kayong lapitan, and all that, you could share your experiences with us.
So it's more of like you're coming in after 1 month just for your success story.
It's a success. So, since you deserve those success, you deserve as well to have a highlight on the stage. Para naman makita namin how you've because sabi nga namin kanina, hindi naman natatapos na nanalo ka lang. Gusto namin makita ang puso, compassion, kung ano nang nangyari. Okay, do we have any more comments? Okay, busy ang ating production team. So, magiging busy din kayo mamaya for the prizes. So, may dumalapit na okay. 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 So, si Miss Jessa Marie, ang sabi niya, 50K is a big amount. A good starting capital. Totoo po. Kasi we wanted naman na yung magiging cash prize nyo ay yung mapapakinabangan nyo talaga. Yung pang-business talaga. So, ayan. Thank you very much. So, ayan, we have Sir Alex. Sinong sponsors for the 50,000? I guess this is for Miss Julia. Okay, sino daw po ang ating magiging sponsor for the 50,000? Since we have 2 winners for a month, di po ba?
So that will be coming from us itself, our company. We're also being sponsored by one of our companies, but it's not in the Philippines. But this is all under Mary Rose Media Productions.
Okay, wonderful. Okay. So, meron pa ba tayong na-miss na mga comments? Okay. So, wala na. Okay. So, yung mga nag-comments, nag-heart, nag-like, nag-share, do not hesitate po na lapitan kami. Kasi syempre may mga prizes kayo afterwards. So, para naman makuha nyo yan, the best way na nakikita namin is for GCash. So, it's available for GCash. So, let me check kung meron pang hahabol. Okay, meron pa daw. So, mabibisi ulit yung production team natin, kakasulat.
Alright, keep it coming.
Keep it
we're
coming.
here.
Wala naman kaming lakad, no? So, since we're a company, we function from 8 a.m. to 5. So,
Have time.
Yes, comment lang kayo, comment dyan.
We can even make Audrey do a sample video for us.
Ayun lang. Pwede ba online business by Lem Dayo ba or Dio? Okay. So, pwede naman po, as we said before, online business ba siya? Services ba siya? For ITs, like program ba siya? As long as you consider it as a business and you would like to do it as a business, then yes, it's considered. Pwede kayong sumali. Pwede.
There's no limit. There's no limit at all for this kind of business, small, online, big, whatever you want to call it. Even if you're pushing the cart, it's fine as long as it's a business. You can go ahead and join. Then one more thing we can add as well is, since we do have people that will have a hard time in uploading or trying to go into our website, we're still, what we can do as well, we can still go ahead and what's the name of that? We can entertain you here if you do come to our office, which is
Here at Salawag 21 Stall Building, Century Salawag, here in Dasma. So if you're near our area and you have issues with uploading, syempre,
Yes.
yung iba gusto nila quality talaga yung mga video nila at hindi nila ma-send since of course may limit ang mga MB na pwede nyo i-upload. You could go here to the office personally and give us your video. And of course, kami nang responsible.
So we'll be giving you your link, and all you need to do is go ahead and share it with all your friends and all your family members.
Kung meron pa kayo dyan mga ka-basketball team, soccer team, baseball, volleyball, invite nyo na din sila. Okay. So we have the next comment. Alex, DTI registered po ba ito? Hehehe. Okay, with a hehehe. Okay.
PTI registered as in how, which one? Company or
The company po ba
or
o
the
the
prize?
program in itself? Wala pa.
But just
Okay.
to clear it up though, Mary Rose Media Production OPC is under SEC. So if anybody has any, what's the name of that? Let's say questions about the legalities of this company, you can go ahead, just come to our office here at Dasmariñas.
To confirm, to clarify
Yes.
all
So
the
you don't have to
legal
be
issues.
scared. We'll be here to answer any of your questions.
Okay, so may lumapit ulit sa aking cellphone. So si Marisa Mendoza Riseo. Okay, congratulations guys for coming up with a kind of project. Very inspiring for small business-minded but have no capital to start. Thank you, Prod. God bless you all for your kind heart. Thank you very much din naman po, no? Kasi, yun nga yung goal. Not everyone has the chance, or the avenue to do so. So, thank you very much din po dahil naging supportive kayo dun sa project. And coming with Sir Alex, yeah, the company po. So, Sir Alex, we are under SEC po. So, in regards to legality, sir, you could always go ahead and give us a PM to confirm that. So,
Yes. You can also come to our office if you're near Cavite. We'll gladly entertain anyone so that, to give out all of those, if you have any other questions that you can't, message or ask online, just come to our place and then we'll answer the questions for you.
kaya nga po, #pusong entrep, kasi we'll do it with passion and we'll entertain you as well because, human interaction is the best way to start a business. Kaya nga tayo nagbe-business.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Nakapapalakpak ako sa production team. O, sa'yo na nga itong cellphone. Okay. Any more questions, guys? Any more, If in any case na mag-end na po yung, yung podcast, tas may questions pa po kayo, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi may sasagot pa din yan.
Yes.
So, dun sa mga nag-heart, comments, and share ng podcast, please give us a PM as well para naman makuha niyo yung mga freebies nyo. Okay? Okay. Okay, yung mga next questions yan, we'll address it in the next podcast as well. Tapos, yun nga po, yung nabanggit namin before, yung mga IEC participants namin, if you wanted to do podcast with us, if you wanted to promote your business, your already existing business concerns, and everything, you could just go on ahead and message us, private message us, so that we could have you featured. Walang limit din yung mga guests.
So, just to remind everyone, our next podcast would be on Wednesday and Fridays.
Yeah, so May 8 na yung susunod, guys. So, thank you very much po for entertaining us this good afternoon. Sana naman ay maging malamig ang inyong hapon kasi sobrang init. So, if may mga pahalo-halo dyan na business, join na din kayo dito. Promote natin yung halo-halo. Okay, thank you very much, guys. This will be the end of our first podcast.